Dilan Raffianka. I grade 12 kinds 1 and I give skincare routine going to school.
Okay guys, first wash your face, then the second step clean it using micellar water. Here I use micellar water from Pond's. And step 2, moisturizer. Hair eyes moisturizer water from skin conditioner autumn. Wait for 1 minute and 2 minutes. Step 3, to use this sunscreen in order to protect it from the sun. The next step, I use a powder because here I don't like to use a sprinkle, so I use a solid one from you, which is medium beige. I use a lip balm and a little lip tint. Guys, because I want to go to school, it's not stylish. Finally, we use Vaseline moisturizer, which can be used for eyelids and eyebrows. Guys, thanks for watching my skincare routine video. If I said something wrong, I'm sorry. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.